Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook Thai dish Larb Moo or spicy minced pork salad. This dish is originated from northeastern Thailand, where I come from, and it's quite well known across Thailand right now, and it is quite nice to eat. It's similar to som tam because it has the combinations of the spicy, sour, salty, and sweet taste. So I have about 300 grams of minced pork, some chopped spring onion, chopped cilantro leaf, some salt. This is chili flake, and I have 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, about 4 shallots cut into thin slices. This is a pig skin. I clean it up and boil together with the kaffir lime leaf for about 20 minutes and then cut into stripes. This is optional, but basically for this dish, if you add this in, it's very nice and chewy when you eat. So, and I have chopped cilantro roots, 1 tablespoon of lime juice. This roasted ground rice I have here is about 2 tablespoons, but I might not be using all of this. And then half teaspoon of sugar. And I have raw vegetable here to eat together with the minced pork salad and some cucumber. About half a cup of chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can use water. Since I have already prepared the other ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and cook the pork first, and then we can do our salad. So I heat up the pot and I'm going to put in the chicken stock in the pot and then put all the minced pork inside. And I'm going to drop in a little bit of, just a pinch of salt. The chopped cilantro roots. When the pork is almost cooked, and I'm going to pull in the skin. Just let them cook together and also heat it up for a bit or so. So we will just continue to cook for about 1 or 2 minutes just to make sure that the minced pork is well cooked. Alright, it is cooked and it's boiling. I'm going to switch off the heat and then we're going to remove it from the pot. These are the meat that we have cooked just now, and I'm going to remove some of the gravy left in here. Today we're going to make a dry salad. We don't want too much gravy. Right, then I'm going to put all this in the mixing bowl. So since the pork is just cooked, and I'm going to just let it release the heat out because we're going to mix with raw ingredients, and I don't want my ingredients to cook up. Alright, don't have to cool down until so cold. We're going to put in all these ingredients. Cut shallots, sugar, fish sauce, lime juice. Since the chili is spicy, I'm going to be careful with it, so I'm going to put just like 1 teaspoon. That looks too spicy already. And the roasted ground rice, I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 heapful spoon, and then spring onions and cilantro. Well, it's very simple. Then we just mix them up. Look at that. Oh, it looks so nice. Very simple. Now I'm going to taste it. So the taste is quite mild. I'm going to add in some more fish sauce. 1 more spoon of fish sauce. And then another half tablespoon of lime juice. Or maybe 1 tablespoon of lime juice because it's not sour at all. And I'm going to also add in chili flake. 1 more spoon because it's not spicy at all. Right? And then just put all the onions in. Alright, that is done. So I'm going to taste it again. This time it's nice. Enough sour, but still not enough spicy. Enough sour, enough fish sauce. So I'm going to put all the chili in. Perfect. For the minced pork salad, you just have to keep tasting it and add whatever that you need according to your preference, because some people may like more spicy, some people may like more sour, so you just keep adding it. So add in a bit more of this. All right, lovely. So we're going to eat like a wrap. Take this. I love this vegetable. It's very sweet and crunchy, because when I came back from market, I just soaked it in the water, so it become very crunchy. And then I want to add in a bit more chili. Some cilantro roots, some cilantro leaf. Just wrap like that and wow, it's so delicious. The spiciness level is awesome. Got the sour taste. You can get the fragrance from the fish sauce and the aroma of the roasted ground rice. Really good. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more of my cooking video like this. Thank you and bye bye.